machines, but today this vending machine is beverages. And you can see there's a road over here. There is a convenience store, so the vending machine is just on the street. Now, it says it's midnight, which means cold, and the color is blue. You can see Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola Zero, Aquarium, Fanta grapes, and Dr. Pepper. And under that, real gold, grape soda, grapefruit juice, and healthy drinks, vegetable juice, English lemon tea, real gold, Japanese green tea, and under that, in red it says attakai, which means warm. There's Japanese green tea and English tea, some honey drinks, cafe latte, black coffee, and just normal coffee. And here, if you put your card over here, you can use e-monies. And below that, this is a place to put your coins. And if you press the lever, the change will come out. And on the left hand side it says Hanbaichu, which means we're available. Under that, there's a place to put 1,000 yen notes. And below that, you get your change over here. And at the bottom there is a place where you get your drinks. And look at this. When you close it, it closes very slowly, and this means that they don't want you to hurt your hand. And look over here, there are some instructions written in English, and it tells you what kind of coins you need to get the drinks. Isn't it very kind? And over here there is a bin. So after you have drank your drinks, you can dispose the bottles or the cans inside here. Now let's buy some drinks then. I might have a 1,000 yen note. I'll put the 1,000 notes over here, and I will buy cafe latte. I get the drinks here, and here are the changes. These are the changes. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe us. Thank you.